Yeah, it's Ricardo Da Vinci. R.I.P. I just killed the club. I was rolling through the hood, almost sniffed some drugs. Man, they tryna make me a crackhead. Everybody act dead, cause these niggas know about it. Ricardo, he never scared, cause I beat a nigga ass. Beat a nigga ass while he's taking out the trash if a nigga wanna ass. Man, if a nigga wanna ass, nigga throwing where I stay. Nigga, I beat your fucking ass, nigga. Hit him with some weights. Man, I say my grace. Praying to the preacher, nigga, know I never safe. Cause I shoot a nigga, shoot him in the fucking face. Man, I shoot it in the heart, and I fucking do a day. Yeah, I do a day. Man, I do or die. These niggas say I'm hard, man, I never try. Man, they never try. Man, I'm fucking rapping. Doing all my dome, man, I do it for my pappy. Man, I do it for the Atlanta niggas. And these niggas playing game, I hammer niggas. But I ain't got no nails. Man, they get the bill. If I ever go to church, I swear I'm going to hell. Cause these niggas tryna push me to the edge. Push me to the limit, man, I do this for the feds. These niggas lock me up, man, I do it for the niggas in the game. Man, they looking all scared, but everybody in the game. Man, I do it. Do the bitch cooking in the kitchen, Martha Stewart. Running in the bitch, and I'm looking like some swords. Cause these niggas is rats, and I already knew it. Man, I swear it's all my gone. Nigga like E.T., I wanna go back home. These niggas in the game, and I'm trying to do it on my own. Man, I need help, like my last name was Chrome. DJ Chrome, man, I do it up. Man, this nigga silver, so I blew it up. Like it's TNT. And these fuck niggas out here, they wanna murder me. But I don't know why, everybody know why. Niggas say I'm going hard, but this shit I never try. Man, I never try, so I say it again. Man, I do the shit like the Remix Twins.